So over the years, I've been on many, many listing appointments where the condition of the property was here, and if the condition of the property had just been here, if it'd been in a little bit better shape, the sellers would have walked away from closing with a lot more money. And in many cases, this is the only chance an individual has to get a lot of cash when they sell their home and to get it tax-free where they don't ever have to pay taxes on it. And that bothered me. And I wanted to come up with a way to solve that problem, to help people who looked at their property as being here, position it to here, and get it sold. And we came up with our R&R program. It stands for You Rest and Relax While We Rehab and Refresh, and it's really simple. We come into your home, we design the specific process for making sure we put your home in the best possible condition. We're looking to try to get a 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1 or a 4-to-1 return for any dollar invested. It comes with an allowance of up to $15,000. That's right, we fund the repairs. We create the process, we create the outline for what we're going to do, we fund all the repairs. You just pay that money back at closing and you get to keep all of the additional profit. And it's because we want to help you maximize your investment in your home.